ya. It's another Jonathan Bang. Forget about a mukbang. And I just stopped by the gas station to get they 3-piece tenders. Since they be charging me so much at the express store down the street from my job, we about to do a review on this chicken. Let's get in for a close-up on one of them tenders. Alright. Gonna get some honey mustard. Alright, what I like to do with my honey mustard when I get it from the gas station, don't tell nobody about it. Gas station chicken costs too much, but it come through in the clutch. Thank you, Lord. Let's get in for a close-up on that dip. Then a big boy bite. You don't see how I mix that honey mustard and hot sauce together. Let's get that dip. Oh my God. Close for a big boy bite on that tender from the gas station. That's alright. They always be charging me so much though. Come on, $7. $7.36 for a 3-piece tender. Kind of steep. Express. Gas station, maybe I don't know, but pretty good though. For what I need. Yeah. I ain't got that long no way on my break, y'all. Gotta get it in when you can. Leave it down in the comments if you like that. Gotta get it in when you can. Let me know in the comments if you ever stop by a gas station. What's your favorite gas station chicken? Cause it ain't many of them. They got no good chicken. Can't lie. The one down there in my hometown, Belzoni, Mississippi, got that fried chicken that double quick. I mean, don't y'all be stealing my stuff. I be mixing my hot sauce and honey mustard together. Well, let me know if you be doing that. And if you feeling that or not. On the Jonathan Bang, forget about a mukbang. And if you haven't been, I know you've been checking out my long videos, but I need you guys to go check out my reels. All you gotta do, go on my page, click on reels, check them out. It's something I want to talk about. What do you feel like the best social media website is? Leave that down in the comments. Let's talk about it. I'm ready to debate about it. Cause no matter about TikTok and them having challenges and stuff, that still don't make them the best social media website. Facebook is. Facebook got the best content and the best people on it. Going in on this gas station chicken today. Ooh, full too. Spill the water. Oh, last tender. I had butter on tender. They were pretty decent for some gas station chicken. Once I find out the name of the store that I went to and passed by the day on my way home from work, I'll leave the name of it in the end of the comments. In the comments under the video. There was another Jonathan Bang. Forget about a mukbang. I'm gonna get that 3-piece tender gas station chicken. 7.5 on another Jonathan Bang. Forget about a mukbang. Peace.